the 2019 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, a trip computer, air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.